Ever wondered why that old bicycle in your garage is slowly changing color and texture? Or why the Statue of Liberty, once a shiny copper structure, is now a distinctive green? The culprit behind these transformations is a natural process called corrosion. But what is corrosion, really? And more importantly, how does it impact us and our world? Imagine you're baking a cake. You mix flour, eggs, sugar, and other ingredients together. Once you pop it into the oven, heat acts as a catalyst, transforming your mixture into a fluffy, delicious cake. Corrosion is somewhat similar, but instead of flour and eggs, we're dealing with metals. And instead of a warm oven, we're dealing with elements like oxygen and water. In the most basic terms, corrosion is the process where metals deteriorate due to chemical reactions with their environment. It's kind of like the metal is rusting away. This happens because most metals want to return to their natural state, which is usually an ore or a compound, and they do this by reacting with elements in the environment. Take iron, for instance. When iron comes into contact with water and oxygen, it forms iron oxide, or what we commonly refer to as rust. This reaction is accelerated in the presence of salt water, which is why you might notice more corrosion on cars in coastal areas. But corrosion isn't just about rusty bicycles or green statues. It has significant implications for our world. It affects the longevity of our buildings, our cars, our bridges, even our electronics. Corrosion can lead to structural failures, accidents, and in some cases can even pose a risk to human life. On the flip side, understanding corrosion and how to prevent it has led to advancements in material science. It has driven the development of corrosion-resistant materials and coatings, and has sparked innovation in fields ranging from construction to aerospace. To summarize, we dove into the intricate world of corrosion today. We learned that corrosion is the process where metals deteriorate due to chemical reactions with their environment, much like a cake baking in an oven. We discovered that corrosion is responsible for the transformation of the Statue of Liberty, the rusting of that old bicycle in your garage, and much more. We also explored the impact of corrosion on our world, from the potential dangers it poses to the innovation it drives. Understanding corrosion helps us appreciate the transient nature of materials and the constant interplay between man-made objects and the natural world. So the next time you see a rusty old bicycle or a green statue, remember, it's not just decay you're looking at, but a fascinating, complex process that reflects the ever-changing nature of our world.